This is a quick overview on how to access the conference from home if you are an online attendee, or even if you're an in-person attendee, how to download the Whova app and access the conference from when you're in person. You should have received an email by now on how to access the conference. If you haven't received that email, or you've lost that email, deleted that email or whatever, you can always go to our website at aratconference.com, and at the top right hand corner I've added a conference app button. I've also added a button right here on the front of the page that tells you to log in. Clicking the login here will bring you up to the conference app online. I'm already logged in, but if you're not logged in, you'll have to enter in your same email that was used to buy your ticket for ARAT. If you're using a different email or a past email that you're on Whova, you'll need to let us know. We can change that email in our system, but you need to make sure you're using the exact same email that was used to purchase your ticket or was provided if you're on a group ticket. Once you're on the app online, it's organized for your information is here on the left. This overview just tells us a little bit about the conference. If you want to select individual sessions, click on Agenda, and there you'll see the schedule, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays schedule right here. And you can click on something you want to watch, and there will be a link here to view the session online, closer to the session, all right? If you want to network or find other attendees, just click on the Attendee tab. You can type in things, for example, let's say you want to find people who are in your region from Cambodia. You can search Cambodia and find everyone who's attending the conference from Cambodia, and you can view their information here. Note that the orange tab will indicate if they are a remote attendee. If they don't have a remote badge, they are an in-person attendee. So some of these people you'll be able to network with directly in Cambodia or at the conference, and other people will be online only. Okay, if there's someone that you really want to meet and you want to save their information, you can click on their profile, you click bookmark, and it will show up in your bookmark tab right here. If you want to remove them, just deselect it and your tab will be deselected. The community tab is a place for you to engage with one another and create topics and discussions. There are already some discussions already started up. Some people have posted, what do you expect at the conference? Some people want to connect. Other really cool topics have been already added. You can engage with the topic by just clicking on one and say, all right, add your comments here if you want to engage with that topic. Messages, this is direct messages. So if you message someone one-on-one through the Whova app, you can view those messages here. So you might want to check your Whova app to make sure if you've been receiving any messages that you can reply to them. Please note that this is just for initial networking, and then you can move your messaging to your other email or other connect channels if you would like. You can also post photos of the conference if you would like. That would be kind of fun as well. If you need to change your profile in any way, click on My Stuff down here, and you can see this profile button just like that. And then here you can go on in and change your picture, change your name, and add any other information that you want to add just like that here on your profile. If you have an agenda or sessions that you wanted to save, they will show up here. And if you take notes during the conference, you can view it there as well. Okay, very similar on mobile. You can see all the same information is available through the mobile app. You can join in if you're at home. You can join in online from your computer to view all the sessions. I also recommend maybe putting the videos up on a big screen if you can on your TV, so that you can kind of enjoy it as if you're attending in person as best as possible. If you're in person, the app can be used to network and communicate with one another. Any questions, just email me, Joe, J-O-E, at aratconference.com, and I can respond as best I can. Or go to whova.com through our website, and you can view their frequently asked questions here. The number one question I get is, how do I update my profile? You can update it through there, or you can view other frequently asked questions here if you have any issues with Whova app. That's it for now. I look forward to seeing you guys this year in July 22 through 24 in Chiang Mai, Thailand.